Xiaomi Mi A4. From the house of Xiaomi, we have all new Mi A4, which packs in a punch with strong features on board. First and foremost is the camera, which is what generally handset form the Xiaomi family are known for. Moving forward, we have a good internal memory which is ably backed by an expandable storage option. The performance of the device hits the right note more often than not. Thus it is a well-rounded smartphone that is set to have its fan base. Performance with classy lineage display and configuration. Xiaomi Mi A4 comes with a display panel of 6.53-inch which is accompanied by a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Further, the bezel-less waterdrop notch display provides an apt solution for incorporating the front camera without missing out on the status bar. The clarity in display visuals stems from the pixel density of 402 ppi. The performance of the device is powered by an octa-core Cryo 360 processor which is composed of a 2.3 GHz dual-core and a 1.7 GHz hexa-core unit. The combination is built upon a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset. Further, the presence of a 4 GB RAM takes care of the multitasking processors. To complete the processing setup, it has an Adreno 616 GPU. Camera and battery. Taking pictures with the Xiaomi handset has always been a delight. Things remain the same as it has a quad primary camera which is split as 4 8MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP. The primary camera has its set of features which is more than just one way, validates the quality of images captured. For selfies lovers, this smartphone has a 32MP front camera which needles will keep Instagram feed updated with stunning selfies for every occasion. Be it gaming or browsing videos is kept uninterrupted with excellent battery backup. This stems from the incorporation of a 4050 mAh Li-ion battery that is provided with a quick charging option. Storage and connectivity. When it comes to storage, it has got you covered with an internal memory of 64 GB. Might seem to be slightly on the lower side, but when we take into account the option of expanding the memory up to 256 GB. The standard connectivity options which are present in the device include Wi-Fi 802.11b per gram, N, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS and NFC. Xiaomi Mi A4 price. Xiaomi Mi A4 price is expected to be $191.01, 13,999 rupees. Xiaomi Mi A4 expected to be launched on March 18, 2020. This is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage base variant of Xiaomi Mi A4 which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates subscribe and share this video.